children. Welcome back to Cody Loves Minecraft. This is just a quick update of me playing Murder, but also updates about a series on my YouTube channel that's happening not very soon, but close to soon. It's called Make Magic Happen. It's about two kids but many kids that have powers. There's only two main characters, and that's Alexander, which is my skin right here, and I just tapped my face and walk. And there's another kid, and their name is Mimi, and they're both females. Mimi, is a Mephra. Alexander isn't a werewolf, she's just a normal witch on an adventure, learning magic. Mimi is a Mephra and a witch. Her dad was a witch, and her mom was a Mephra. I said Mephra, I meant Mephra, but no one cares about that anymore. The actor for Mimi was playing with me earlier, but I didn't record, so yeah. Wait. I told everyone to say hi to y'all. Okay, yeah. They're probably not gonna believe me, but I'm gonna tell them my YouTube channel, and they're gonna see the dang. They were wrong. See, jerks. Someone's Spanish, guys. Translate it for me and put it in the comments. I can't translate, but hope you guys enjoyed my timeline video. That was actually like the actual timeline I wrote. It took forever. But let's talk about some other characters. There's also Addis. Addis is in the roleplay. I don't know why I added him. I just added him because I was like, Addis deserves to be in something for once. So I let Addis be in it for once. Addis is pretty much never in the roleplays. Thought I might at least. Okay, you guys already know a lot about Addis. Let's go into a different character. Mize. There we go, Mize. Mize is a werewolf and a wizard. Would you call like a boy that knows magic a wizard? Oh yeah, and just so you guys know, we aren't teenagers in this IP. We are all adults. We all look like teenagers, but that's just because I can make us look like teenagers. Okay, let's continue with how Mize is a part in here. So, Mize is a werewolf. He is a sweet little boyo. Just so you guys know, the forms to this IP is in the description. So, I recommend looking down there while reading this. Not reading this, watching this. Yeah. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm going this way now. Okay. But shoot! I was trying to get the bow, but, okay. Mize, he is a werewolf and a witch. I think it would be called a wizard if it's a male, wouldn't it? I don't know. It's like, Harry Potter and stuff made me confused about that. I'm just gonna call, because you know that comic Lumine? Cody's dad, Aiden, said that he was a witch. So, like, I don't know. I just call them wizards and witches. Miles is a wizard, and werewolf. He wasn't born full werewolf. He was naturally a human. His father was a wizard and made potions and tested all of his potions on Miles, and one of the potions was a werewolf potion. And Miles didn't get his superpower from his dad's potions. He got his superpower, no, not from his dad's potions. He did get his superpower from his dad's potions. I'm messing myself up. He got his superpower from the potions. So, he doesn't really have, like, 100 superpowers, and he would have been, like, the main character with Alex. Let's hide. What is this? Okay. So, yeah, before Miles was born, he used to use his, Miles' dad used to use his wife as a testing, thing. So, like, he'll test different things on her, like healing potions. It was mostly, like, healing potions, werewolf potions, Mifa potions. She never really became them, because they never really worked. Oh, yeah, you won. Yeah. Next character. We're gonna do Ashley next. Ashley. I don't know. Is she a werewolf or is she a Mephor? Okay. I think she's a werewolf. I think she's the alpha female. I have to check now. I'm the detective, but I'm back. And Ashley isn't the alpha female. Different characters an alpha female. But, Ashley is a werewolf, though. I'm the detective, so I can protect anyone and the flower going this way. What is this? Okay. That is... Please, no. Oh, they could be the murderer. They've just been pressing that button. I'm scared. Okay, next thing. Okay. Ashley is a werewolf. She is full-bred werewolf, and they look like me. And that's a dead body going this way. She's a full-bred werewolf. Her dad and mother are both werewolves. She isn't like half werewolf, half wizard or anything, or half witch or anything. She's just full werewolf. And I died. This is great. The detective died. Let's continue with Ashley. She is full-bred. How she got her power, though? Her dad knew magic, but he wasn't, like, a wizard. He just knew spells from his mother and father. Ashley's father, passed away when Ashley was a tiny little baby. Not tiny, she was like 6 and he passed away. Good thing the mother knew what magic the dad was teaching Ashley, and Ashley, ever since, I think she was the one that controlled the weather and stuff. So, like, if she got upset, she'll make a thunderstorm happen, or if she's angry, she'll make a thunderstorm happen. If she's sad, it will start raining. If she's happy, it will be nice and clear and sunny. And if she's tired, it will become night. So, the only time it comes night is when Ashley is tired. which is bizarre. But this IP isn't on Earth. This IP is on a different planet. I never named the planet because I was too lazy to. I think it's just gonna be called Planet throughout the whole thing. Like, they'll be like, our planet is so great, it's so beautiful and stuff during the IP. I haven't said, I'm pretty sure I'll think of the name while I'm writing the script, but till then, there's no script. There's no, name for the planet. What did I say about Ashley? Oh, I'm pretty sure I said, like, her mom remembered what the dad was teaching her for the magic. She finished this stuff. They practice on changing the weather. How do I explain this? Why? Go away. Oh, wow. Wow. I don't even think the murderer stabbed me. I was shot. The murderer didn't even stab me. I was shot. You know how I was shot? Because you saw that penguin earlier, right? He was pointing his gun at me. That one, see? I think he shot me. But at the same time, it could have been the murderer. But, back to Ashley. When Ashley goes to sleep, time's night, blah, blah, blah. What else? I forgot. What is it? That's it. Okay, next character. Cleo, the alpha female. Pretty sure Mars is the alpha male. I forgot something about Mars, guys. Mars is an Ultima. You guys know what Ultimas mean. I didn't steal the idea of, Ultimas from Aphmau. I'm, like, not gonna do, like, how Aaron became a wolf and stuff. I'm just doing, like, when he gets angry, one of his eyes turns a color. But I'm not gonna make it red, because that's really basic. Everyone does that. I'm gonna make it black. So when he gets angry, when he's angry, or, like, one of his eyes will turn black. And that's, like, when he wears eye patches. I already made those skins. When I showed it to one of my friends that was Mars' like mom, they were like, "Dang, must sound kind of hot." I was like, "No, don't think of your son like that. No, please." And the texture pack I have on right now is not the texture pack we're using. Let's get back to the updates though, cause like, no need to talk about that right now. Cleo, alpha female. She's a fox. I put werewolf, but she's actually a fox. But, I don't care. She's basically a werewolf. She's a werewolf. Just pretend it says fox when you see the form. Oh, yay. Yay. That looks like Bendy. Stop copying stuff, please. Please. There's not a lot about Cleo. Cleo's dad killed her mom. Cleo's dad killed himself. Cleo was adopted by a woman. The woman doesn't care about Cleo much anymore. That's pretty much it. Okay, next character. Matt. We're gonna do Matt. Yes, Matt. The king. Matt. I have no time. I only have 15 minutes. It's already 14 minutes. Okay, we're gonna do Matt, and then I'm gonna make another video about the other characters. Like, real quick. Really quick. It's 10. Wow. Okay. Matt is, have to check. Okay, so I checked. Matt is werewolf, and he's the beta. He is a nice, sweet boyo. I don't know. Next question. Ah, no!